Hello. In 2009, LinkedIn introduces its new engineering chief, David Henke. Before joining LinkedIn, he had worked as an engineering boss at Yahoo. His experience had been mostly spent rebuilding outdated technology, but he wanted to significantly reduce the company downtime. He spends the next few weeks of around-the-clock coding, which includes an office happy hour, rebuilding LinkedIn's technology from the ground up, significantly reducing downtime. Scrappy no more. Back in 2009, Henke had joined LinkedIn as engineering boss from Yahoo. It had worked, but Henke found that poor engineering practices festered along the way, and once modern technology had become old-fashioned. During the next several weeks of round-the-clock coding, the engineering team rebuilt LinkedIn's technology from scratch, significantly reduced downtime. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.